How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? In today's video, we're going to take out the old weather stripping and replace it with some new ones.
It's you and
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the first couple steps that we have to do is first remove this little plastic piece to pull down, because there's this stripping that goes around here, all the way around, that needs to come off. Also as well, there's one here, a screw there, then there is a screw that is in the rubber that's up here, one that is back here, and then there's these three little pins that are on here. I don't know if you could really see them. On the new one that I actually have, it came with that, so that should be easy enough to just pull off. We'll get it off, and then we'll move on to the next step, which is installing it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I was able to get that out pretty easy. The rest of it out, you just have to watch. This is actually attached, I forgot, to the inside door panel, so that's not gonna come out. One thing I'm gonna do is, before I start throwing the other one on, is just take just a washcloth and something and just wipe it down. Get rid of all the gunk that's on here, because I really don't wanna put it on where it's dirty. As you can see, these three things, there's three little things here. They are also on the new one as well. We'll get that cleaned up, all this cleaned up next, and we'll go ahead and start throwing it back on. All right, now that it's all wiped down and dry, after I rubbed it down with my microfiber towel, it's getting it nice and dry. It's all dry up here now and all nice and clean. We're gonna put on the new one, and it comes with some adhesive, so I don't have to worry about adhesiving it myself. We'll toss it on, get it all squared away, and put the other one on, and then we'll move over to the other side and do pretty much the exact same thing. All right, now that it's all wiped down and dry, after I rubbed it down with my microfiber towel, it's getting it nice and dry. It's all dry up here now and all nice and clean. We're gonna put on the new one, and it comes with some adhesive, so I don't have to worry about adhesiving it myself. We'll toss it on, get it all squared away, and put the other one on, and then we'll move over to the other side and do pretty much the exact same thing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you can see I got it all in. It's all nice and pressed in. The only glue spot is like right here, which gonna have to push down a little bit to get it held on. And then it will adhesive itself to it. Right here was the only difficult spot, because there's like two rails you gotta hug it into. I got it up pretty much as good as I'm gonna get it up right now. I think once I put a little bit more pressure on, I'm gonna put on the T-top to get it all set, and then it'll be done. As you can see, I missed a little bit of spot right here, getting that thing back into its correct spot. So I am going to pop that out and redo that real quick, and throw the T-top on and sit it in. All right, guys, you can see it's all in nice and tight. Wasn't too hard of a job. Took me probably about 20 to 30 minutes to get it all done. T-top was a little tighter to go in now, rather than the old rubber that's been in there for 20 plus years. Almost 30 actually, 29 years. Went in really easy, not too hard of a job. Just about getting in the right spot, and that's about it. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel if you'd like. I'm currently sitting about 417. 83 away from the giveaway. Remember, you have to live in the United States. The comment with the most likes on it wins, and it's a gift card to anywhere you want for $50. All you have to do is, when I tell you that you win, you comment back with, or you PM me with your address and which gift card you want, and that'll be it. All right, guys, thanks for watching again. Comment, like, and subscribe.